violence? What are some of the answers they're looking at, issues? We talk about guns, too many guns on the street, but yet we don't talk as much about mental health.
Right. And I agree completely. And that's one of my big pushes, is because I firmly believe that we need to destigmatize mental health. Um, Everyone at some point in their life will experience difficulties. It affects some people more than others. Maybe they simply have a chemical imbalance that needs to be treated. You know, it's medical. So let's destigmatize it. Let's encourage people that if you have a loved one that maybe needs to see a doctor, if you feel that you need to see a doctor, having challenges and overcoming certain situations, there's nothing to be ashamed about. This is one thing that I've really pushed, especially in the veterans community, is making sure that our veterans returning from overseas have access to mental health, whether it's through the VA or whether it's through private providers in their own communities. That trickles out to our communities as well. We have lots of gun laws on the books. Those gun laws need to be enforced. And what we see perhaps in some of these towns where we see a surge of gun violence, it's bad people that have guns, that should not have guns, and somehow they have acquired those illegally. When we see horrible incidents where perhaps a gun was obtained legally, a family member might have a gun, but someone else has taken that. Again, that's illegal procurement of a weapon. But it often comes back to mental health issues. Unfortunately, what we've seen is kind of a desensitizing also of what the meaning of life is, and a value of life, and a value that one person can contribute to our society. And we forget that. I don't know if it's the media or, a lot of folks will talk about the horrible games they play on Xbox or whatever. Are we teaching our children that life is important and to respect a human life?